Good morning with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that? St. Mary with that.
Yeah. Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Dad, no, but let me see what you have in your hand. Yeah, so you have to put some more water in your pot. Dad, I make fever grass tea for me party. I don't want Dad to overdose. So I'm saying, you got some people that they come around you for, they happen to be around you because of you, because of the love that you have inside of you, the good heart, and you say, okay, we there, so we are seeing blood, me and you one. Yo, I have a little vision, make we roll, because you find out that them not no vision, you know, and them no plan for have none. Yeah, them just a look out of their eyes, so, just a look. But you know, because you know, all we are one and everybody grow together, you know, the days and you see it, breadfruit and salt, and not that you have it, you don't have it of first per se. It's just that, you know, you have a little vision and you come and you say, boy, and that way I go do, you know. So, you know, so the vision where you have, you're going to need help. Seeing? Okay. And you say to them, you sit them down, you know, but so you know them not have nothing, but them not have nothing, them not thinking, you know. Them turn upside down. You know that already. See, because you come off I see and find like that, because you know, say, for them things, I just sit down and look, so, and just people for the scary things come get them, so. But you, being out there in the world and see how things roll and know how the thing go, you are make them know, so look here, and that's how life go. That is not how life goes. Right? So you try to get them at a point where them can learn to appreciate things and learn to appreciate people that are good to them. So you sit down and you say, you talk to them and you say, yeah man, yeah Debbie, yeah auntie, yeah mama, yeah everybody what them want to call you. And then the moment now you step forward and start doing things, and you know, you make them start, you know, get little food for eat and any little thing where you can do, you do for them. You know they make you know their number one enemy. They make you them prime enemy, you know. And you did it, you know. I take your heart out, you know, to make things work, you know. You now look for say, look here. I drag them, I try drag you back, you know. Them I look for find a long knife. We can reach straight through you from your back. That's what they're doing. Yeah, not literally. I'm just saying it figuratively. Just a figurative way of speaking. I don't know me attack. See? So, it is so hard. Yeah. It is so hard. Very hard. You give them chances after chance after chance. Just because you have the love in you. But there comes a point that you gotta let them go. You have to let them go. Because if you don't let them go, your day is done. You're kind of not, you know, feel kind of dark like a, I don't know what I'm going to light all a buckle lamp, a buckle torch for you. When them done with you. Just by you trying to see if you can, you know, elevate them to a little way where they can. Not for you, you know. Because you try to help yourself when we are ready. Just to see if you can help them. You know? For learn, for know, say, boy, I'm for live like how civilized people live. You got to let them go. You got to let them go. But that's a share something, you know. I mean, know people can attest to it too. I know you guys sound like a stupid talk come, but me can deal with them the comment. Because some of them never look upon them. They never to address certain things, you know. But people who know what I'm talking about, they can relate. And I could have done a little video on this, but I choose to drop it in this video because I know a lot of people watch these videos. People like the little humor that we bring when we cook and when we come here. So I choose to drop it in another video. Yeah. Also, there are another set. You and them a sibling, you know. When you're born, you know, as far as what you can remember, 3-year-old, 4-year-old, you're born, consider them a big people, them, you know. Big old tough dacoram, them, you know. Them live, they know them born, and they then live throughout them lifetime. They never buy a sheet of zinc. They never buy a single headless nail. They never build a pit latrine if them for Billy. Somebody have to pay them for Billy and them are going to defecate in it, but you have to pay them. If you don't know what me a chat about talk. Anything them fi do, and then live there. They live there. But anything they're supposed to do, somebody, you must pay them. And they live there from them born till them teen, till them come big adult, till them turn middle age, till them get old and tough and grey. Them not do nothing. Absolutely nothing. Taxes are come for pay. Them know say taxes to pay for property. Them don't know nothing. Them busy nothing. Them do everything. Them do sit down. See them here? Ta. Now try to come out and go upon them own for go look nothing, you know. If them parents did it with 1 or 2 look room, them hop in it with them parents too, you know. One little room and all the house lean one side for drop, then catch up in the same way. So then go, so then come. Sal go packy come. You know, if you know, used to hear some old people say them something there. But some of the old people them then for blame too. And me blame my mother for part of that too. Pitney come and reach certain age, you must put them out and then go upon them own, go no life journey. Go no life journey. You born ya and you turn ya till you get old and grey and you pass off right here. When you pass off, how? Them a send call the smaller ones, them, the sibling them. Say, are you for come bury them? They never make a move. They never go anywhere. They never pay no bills. Them don't know nothing. 365 days in a year, and they don't have not even 1 day out of the year. Them say, you know, say right here, so that day today at X time at a date. Me never know what date of September when me I shoot this. Every September, you know. So me I say, Uncle Murphy, yes. Every 10th of September, I'm supposed to pay for this thing, yeah, and it just costs $1,000. They are so dumb, irresponsible. Them not have no responsibility. Them people like them, they're not supposed to have money.
Of course.
Them not pay for nothing. And when you're born, consider yourself as a little baby. 70, 80-year-old. You say, boy, that little doorway from me born. I remember me know myself, me I go through it, you know. Let me shape up the doorway and make the doorway look good. Change the look of the doorway, you know. Then pant and I look on the same doorway. Then grow look on the same doorway. And then pass off right in it. All then they ghost there, see ma. Then can't miss for coming at that the house there, you know. Come back. You could have turned them out till you're dead. Them must come back in the cause them know them we are inside out. They never do anything. They never. But when time come, when them in need, they are looking for you that had left. You left home and go build a life. Have your children, them out there struggle. Meanwhile, them they back a live free. But they want you to come and stand up and to take up their responsibility. And you have other siblings. And you have some people too when knows you enough. Oh, it's your family. Uno lucky. Uno lucky. So this is a different clip, you see, Pari. This is the tea. Yes, it is like going to 1 o'clock in the middle of the day. Now let me move. Uncle Mary, just move that salt. It is interfering with step up in a life cup. Move the thing they make them see. We're going to drink fever grass tea in the day here. You see? Oh yes. And you're hearing the bike pass because you know some live a roadside. So look at the cup. Yeah. Things are going for it. But look here. What worse? So me have to tell you no. Yes, never know so we didn't go angling today. You care? Him never knows so we are accompanying back today. So we are going to drink fever grass tea before we eat your breadfruit and chicken back. It is like about 1:45 now in the day. And look here, we are going to give the gas a surprise. Yes. Next clip. Dada, we get them copy. You borrow them now? Oh, we are going to use them and clean them up and carry them back. Alright, Uncle Murph, go easy with the cooker. Alright, no put no weapon cooker. Little bit. Daddy will drink the whole of that in a feed tea. Love to make his sweet feed tea. Yeah. I'm not here, Miss very stubborn. Dad, to the rescue. Which one are your one, Dad? The long one? The pretty one. Which one of you? Are the pretty one, yeah? No, which one? This are for me. That one here for me we say volunteer. I always volunteer.
One say mom funny, so.
One say mama? Pupalati, mama, woo, mama, for me this, I parry, mama, mom, Pupa Jesus. No, take out somebody cougar out of mom. Too much cougar. Me never see say mommy no.
Yes.
Papa Lord. Mama. Yes, Jesus. So, Pari, in the next clip now, you will see us moving on to the chicken back. But we're going to give our gas friend a surprise, just like now. Yeah. Them a play music about the place in the middle there. So, things are going like country, yeah? They have party, Pari. Ah, yeah. Woo!
Or then kill the chicken.
Oh.
She said she didn't hear she can't reach her, you know.
No, you
She
can't
make
do
a
it.
slaughterhouse.
Yes, you have to. You have a different thing are going on, you know.
Yeah,
How you can't come a country and still come up like a thief, you know. So, you have to make use of it. I suffer with all time people drink tea, you know, Murphy. Listen to this, Pari. Tio.
Sucking tea.
Suck your tea, man, and your tea. Go down pan the gas, you see all him. So when you go down, you know, we just feel my boy just a turn down the gully side and go down. Yeah, surprising. Yeah, now where she dey, I think she don't drink some cold drinks. No, we're going to eat some breadfruit. And the breadfruit is very light and gassy.
Yes.
So in the next clip now, the chicken back will be ready. Uncle Murphy, get on to the onion and make we get 2 little. Yes, we can put the bird pepper in a that one. So we have to put through one individually. So get the 2 little onion them, slice them up, and we have a little vinegar around a corner here. So next clip, Pari. If you chicken back, Pari, yes, you have to put on the fire pan, you know. It might take root, you know. Yes. If you put fire less than this, you might turn work with fire. Look at him now. Me a clip up on the chicken back here, you know, Murph. Yes, man. Yeah. The same brown down the bottom there. Remember, me tell you, say to come down to nothing, you know. Yes. Yeah. When you come back around here again, you see them? You see? Yes. I take root around them, man. Nice. Yes. A who that? I tell you on the pot from them too. Tell them you know that yeah. Then the pot I get, tell them you know there. So yeah, give me a look at one story in a Pari. You see this? I say more come pretty and brown one story. So you know. So next week we show me. Anybody got that so when they tell them you know. One case I keep up the one makes it a party pound. Party pound like yes. So Pari, now the chicken back is taking root. You see? Beautiful. Uncle Murphy, not looking bad at that. Yeah, a little bit here too. If you did the little ackee, you know, I only love the ackee.
Yes.
You think crispy and nice? You can't cook him down there no long water. If you not do it so, you curry him down nice.
Curry him down nice.
But when you go eat it with the breadfruit and you cook him down and then look, workless and whitey, it not work. No. So Pari, we are going to straighten him up to come out. You see the niceness down in the bottom?
Yes, man.
So when we cut the... Let me explain to the people then, because they know me explain to them, you know.
Yes.
It's when you cut up the little something, throw a little vinegar, throw a little water, and that pretty gravy they come up. Papa Jesus, family next clip.
Brown and pretty.
Nice. Yeah, Pari, good chicken, good cooking chicken, but this is the vinegar, you see? The little careless one. Woo! Papa Jesus. You see this here now? This has to start him out, you know, man. Hot you. Watch me now, Pari. Watch me. You smell the vinegar, man? Papa Jesus. Watch the gravy there now. Watch the gravy I take root now, Murph, and color up. Aye. Hey. But probably they never heard of me. Murphy, this is me alone. Yes. They never heard of Murphy. Give them a shot, man. Give them a shot. Give them a shot. So we are going to draw the hood now. Yes. From under the fire. Because we don't need no wood for excitement again, you know. Yes, Pari next clip, you will see the breadfruit. We don't get no pear today. Draw the hood, man. Yeah, you're ready, you know. Come put it on. Oh. So, Uncle Murphy.
Yes, Pari.
We are going to shout. See chicken back here? Yeah. You see chicken back? They must eat Murphy in the dark. No, man, they see it, man. You see the chicken back? Yeah, you see him suck up the aisle, man? Yes, sir. So, look here now. We carry one keg here for Jerry. But Jerry can't shout first because Jerry ain't there. So, but you one season up there, we are going to look for him when he's done. Murphy, the people, them say, every day your dish heavy. And me a complain, and me still down there dish heavy. Murphy, Dad, I Pari, that run a yonder, they dig your summer dime. Active. So, we have put out for that, Uncle Murphy. You have to set you up, you know, because you sort out the chicken back here good and proper, you know. But if you not clean up the chicken back good, you know, go good, it not taste good, you know.
No.
If you do it worklessly,
You have to clean up properly.
if you do it worklessly,
Yeah.
if there is such a word, you know what is going to happen.
Yes.
For me, little stush one in there, you know. You mean have the whole pot, you know. See them make a nice piece. If you ever hear me.
When it's crunchy.
Yes, when it's crunchy and nice. And then get the little high.
Yeah.
Hey, them things say we are idiot, Murph.
Yeah,
Them we grew up on Murphy. You remember one time when we there one enough time. And guess what? No. Me take out for Jerome. Really, I'm the one about here to me. When we have all them nice breadfruit here, we roast them, you know.
Yes.
Show them in them, Murph. We know nothing that I had for eat, you know.
No,
But
them
roast them and slice them up nice, you
Yeah.
know. Everybody come take out for them. Sometimes no butter, no there's salt. Sometimes we got pear bush, we find some old pear.
Yes.
Pear it off, parry come in. And we are alive right
we are
now.
alive, of
Yeah,
course.
see all when the people already them and them all the butter breadfruit, you see.
Yeah.
Butter, bitter, yeah.
Bitter. That I read one.
I write one now.
Yeah. I read one.
Me never know about that, you know, Murphy. Me put Murphy down here, so you know why.
Yeah, part.
Yes, man. You think I joke?
Yeah.
Me have to start out that one different from you have the denture. Me take the old bone them, you know, okay? And me our spot.
Yeah.
Me think little meaty, can't manage me, you know. Okay? And man will have to identity for him reach out if one work. Them chap broke. Right. And this after Uncle Murphy come and Jerry won't look malnourished. Let's see if we get the time now. Enough time, Parry, when we there country and breadfruit clean. Oh God, Murphy does all the days.
Oh God, man. No
And
people
me a say,
understand.
me
No
a
people
say, You have
understand.
to really every time. I can't stop big up my mother. As a
tell you.
mother, you have to go through them, yeah. You know? And see people come now and they have them mother and them now look on them mother, but what they to some of them, you know?
God have mercy.
Yeah, Murph, show them. So,
You know the
the
Parry?
chicken back with the little higher.
See it?
Yeah, higher. You see him look?
So
I
look
say you have
at
to
it.
angle the chicken back when you
Yes.
eat with the breadfruit, you
See
know?
that Parry?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Good, sir.
ma'am.
Good.
All right.
Next clip, Parry.
Next clip.
So. Parry. Me run a bus mouth and me know me have me mouth iron but it can. Me one iPad. Right now my mother spirit. My mother just the one side her spirit just a smile. Because this is how she would eat hers. Show them Uncle Murphy, my girl, mother would not hers. Uncle Murphy, you know you can already find
See
me.
the Parry?
Yeah, man. My yard, me glad. I'm going to nobody have to do this.